Welcome to Study Loop.
So to find the speed of this lens, we can calculate the f number from f-stop equation, which is given as focal length over diameter. Now, if we consider that the object is at infinity, then the image should form at the focal length or at the focal point, and that's why the distance from our lens to pupil should be or distance from the lens to the back of the eye should be equal to the focal length. So that's 2 centimeters, and the diameter is given as 8 millimeters. So this is going to be 20 millimeter if we convert centimeter to millimeter, divided by 8 millimeter, which is equal to 2.5, or f over 2.5. Thank you.